What you got?
I got these.
What are those?
Those for my eyeglasses.
Yeah.
They make my eyes feel fresh.
Mm-hmm.
So make me fresh for freshness. They make me fresh. And I don't know why they're fresh. So I got this one, but this one's not working with the top on its bottom. This little buddy on its top.
Is that gonna fix it? Oh, you did it. Okay, good job.
I don't know.
Hey, I think somebody's calling you.
Huh?
Somebody calling? Did I hear your phone ring?
Oh yeah, I remember. I hear somebody. That's hello, Arnold. Oh yeah. You will. Yeah. So, hello, Kristen. Oh yeah. I know what you're doing. I know. I don't know what your work is. So, oh my, you have conversations? Come on, get your lead. She's not believing. So, I'm laughing. Oh, don't. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. That's good. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. 2. Oh, you have the bounce house. How do you? At the bounce house? Oh yeah. I've not been to the bounce house. So. She's not there. I have to call Kristen back.
You have to call Kristen back?
Yeah, that's my friend. She's my old friend.
Uh-huh.
And she's free too, like me.
Yeah, she's 3 just like you?
Mm-hmm.
We better call her back.
Yeah, in a minute. She said she's going here and meet us.
Oh.
So she's my Kristen. So I'm gonna sleep now.